Hey fitness enthusiasts, are you ready to pedal your way to a healthier lifestyle? In today's video, we are counting down the 10 best exercise bikes of 2025. No matter whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just starting, we've got the perfect options to keep you motivated. DMASUN Sports Exercise Bike. The DMASUN exercise bike emerges as the top choice for fitness enthusiasts, backed by over 30 years of expertise and a global presence. Trusted by over 2 million households, DMASUN delivers a superior ride experience with its 35-pound solid flywheel and durable alloy steel frame, designed to support users weighing a capacity of up to 330 pounds, and 4-way seat adjustment and 2-way handlebar adjustment to accommodate users ranging from 4.8 to 6.3 feet in height. A strict anti-fall test is carried out to ensure stability and security. The near-silent operation, producing less than 20 decibels of sound, ensures a peaceful and immersive workout environment. With magnetic resistance levels ranging from easy warm-ups to muscle-building intensities, the bike caters to every fitness level. Real-time exercise data, compatibility with Wahoo for RPM tracking, and SPD pedals make it versatile and performance-oriented. With user-friendly features like an electronic device stand, water bottle holder, non-slip caged pedals, transport wheels, and level adjustment knobs, DMASUN provides quality and convenience. YOSUDA Recumbent Exercise Bike. With 20 years of expertise and a reputation for serving over 3 million families, it delivers a safe and effective fitness experience. This bike is designed in collaboration with rehab professionals, making it an excellent choice for seniors or individuals recovering from injuries, pregnant women, and those with joint concerns. Its quick, adjustable seat allows customization for users between 5 and 6.2 feet, ensuring a comfortable ride with ample legroom. Thanks to its silent operation, you can seamlessly integrate your workouts into daily life without disturbing others. Built with a light commercial-grade steel frame, the YOSUDA bike offers stability, durability, and safety, supporting up to 350 pounds. With 16 resistance levels ranging up to 60 pounds, it caters to everyone from beginners to pros. Equipped with easy-to-move wheels, you can effortlessly transport it to your desired location. Its padded seat and backrest provide comfort for your hips, back, and spine, making it easier to maintain consistency in your fitness routine. Quick and easy assembly ensures you're ready to ride in no time, making this recumbent bike an ideal companion for low-stress and efficient workouts. SLUNSE Exercise Bike. It offers a robust and stable workout experience with its heavy-duty aluminum steel construction, dual 7-shaped brake knobs, 5 adjustable non-slip feet pads, and curved rear base for maximum durability. Designed with an ergonomic triangular frame and a 35-pound flywheel, it can support a weight of up to 350 pounds, ensuring a reliable, wobble-free ride on any surface. It is fully adjustable, featuring a 2-way adjustable handlebar and a 4-way adjustable seat, making it suitable for users between 5 to 6.4 feet. The high-rebound soft seat and secure aluminum alloy pedals add comfort and safety. Featuring a maintenance-free belt drive that operates at just 25 decibels, this exercise bike ensures a quiet workout experience, making it perfect for use at home or in the office without disturbing others. Equipped with a multifunctional LCD monitor, it tracks key fitness data like time, speed, distance, calories, and more, while the tablet and water bottle holders enhance convenience. The latest magnetic resistance system delivers a quiet, smooth ride with no friction noise, perfect for home or office use. With 100 levels of micro-adjustment resistance, users can precisely control workout intensity, and an emergency brake ensures safety. Goimu 5-in-1 Foldable Exercise Bike. This folding stationary bike has been refined to offer superior seat comfort and an elegant look, making it not only an effective fitness tool, but also a stylish addition to your home. The bike's 5-in-1 functionality allows for versatile workouts, upright for high-intensity exercise, or semi-recumbent for a low-impact and comfortable ride. It also includes arm resistance bands to provide a full-body workout. The compact design and transport pulleys at the bottom allow for easy folding and storage, and with transport pulleys, it can be moved effortlessly. Built with a sturdy steel frame and X-shaped structure, it can support a weight of up to 330 pounds and features 16 levels of magnetic resistance for varied workout intensity, all while ensuring a quiet and smooth ride. Additionally, Goimu offers a 12-month free parts replacement service, making this a worry-free investment for your home fitness routine. Upreign Exercise Bike. It features a sturdy triangle frame design, constructed from heavy-duty steel to ensure stability and safety during intense workouts, supporting weights up to 245 pounds. It is equipped with a magnetic resistance flywheel and a thick belt that provides a high-precision, quiet operation, allowing for smooth and noise-free workouts, making it perfect for late-night sessions without disturbing others. Adjustable features include two-way non-slip handlebars and a four-way padded seat, with height adjustability ranging from 25 to 35 inches, ensuring a comfortable cycling experience. It also has a built-in resistance bar for immediate flywheel stoppage. The digital display tracks heart rate, time, speed, calories, and mileage, while Bluetooth connectivity allows you to sync with fitness apps, enabling real-time data tracking and progress monitoring. Additionally, it includes convenient transport wheels, making it easy to move and store as needed. YOSUDA Pro Recumbent Exercise Bike. With over 20 years of experience in designing and producing exercise machines, and having served over 3 million families, YOSUDA is a reliable fitness brand. It's designed for safe and low-stress workouts, ideal for seniors, the obese, pregnant women, or those with knee or waist injuries, providing joint protection during exercise. It features a quick and easy seat adjustment system, allowing you to modify the seat position and height during your workout without interruption. With an adjustable backrest, it accommodates users up to 6.5 feet. Offering a full-body workout, it includes detachable resistance bands for upper body engagement, along with the foot pedals for lower body exercise. It operates silently, making it perfect for exercising while watching TV or reading without disturbing others. The LED monitor tracks key workout data, and with a tablet holder, it enhances your experience by connecting to sports apps for immersive coaching. Easy to assemble, with most parts pre-installed and clear instructions, it's also effortless to move. Built from commercial-grade steel, it offers durability, stability, and safety, supporting up to 350 pounds. With 16 resistance levels, this exercise bike is suitable for beginners and pros alike, offering up to 60 pounds of resistance for an efficient workout. Its wide padded seat and backrest ensure comfort and consistency, making workouts both enjoyable and sustainable. ALTIMAC Exercise Bike. This home exercise bike features a heavy-duty steel frame and triangular body design that ensures stability while cycling and supporting weight of up to 300 pounds. Its infinite resistance system and belt drive system provide a smooth and silent ride, making it perfect for home use without disturbing others. It offers 100 micro-adjustable resistance levels, allowing you to simulate real road riding while burning fat, building core muscles, and strengthening your heart with minimal risk of injury. Its advanced belt system keeps noise at a low 25 decibels, even after extensive use, ensuring quiet workouts. The four-way adjustable seat and two-way adjustable handlebar accommodate different users, making it ideal for the whole family. Toe-caged pedals with adjustable straps fit various foot sizes for added comfort and safety. The built-in monitor tracks time, speed, distance, and calories, while the adjustable tension levels support everything from light warm-ups to intense cross-training sessions. Plus, with a 12-month warranty and responsive customer service, this exercise bike ensures a reliable and enjoyable workout experience for all. MERACH Recumbent Exercise Bike. This full-body workout recumbent exercise bike integrates resistance bands for upper body exercises, providing a comprehensive fitness and rehabilitation experience. Its comfortable and adjustable seat and backrest can be easily adjusted to fit users of all sizes, ensuring an optimal fit. The ergonomic resistance knob, located conveniently on the side, offers 8 levels of resistance, reaching up to 70 pounds for advanced users. The upgraded crank structure enhances durability and requires no maintenance, ensuring smooth pedaling for a more enjoyable ride. The advanced LCD, compatible with the MERACH app, allows easy tracking of workout data, with a phone holder positioned for visibility while using entertainment. Simplified installation makes setup easy, even for women or elderly individuals, taking just 20 to 30 minutes. Its front transport wheels allow for effortless mobility around the home, with dimensions of 40 inches in length, 25 inches in width, 41 inches in height, a weight of 56.9 pounds, and a 350-pound weight capacity. It offers a comfortable and reliable experience. Backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty and dedicated customer service, this bike guarantees a worry-free fitness journey. ALTIMAC Recumbent Exercise Bike. It features an exclusive US mute magnetic system and an 11-pound flywheel, offering 16 levels of smooth and magnetic resistance for a wide range of workout intensities. It comes with an ergonomic thicker seat and breathable mesh backrest, providing optimal support and comfort for your hips and back. Thoughtfully designed with the input of rehabilitation professionals, it's a great option for the elderly, pregnant women, or individuals recovering from knee or waist injuries. Cyclace Exercise Bike. Offering an ultra-quiet and smooth cycling experience thanks to its advanced noise-eliminating technology. This exercise bike ensures no disturbance while working, reading, or sleeping at home. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame and a stable triangle combination, it provides ultimate stability and safety, supporting weight of up to 300 pounds, even during intense workouts. Equipped with a 30 pounds flywheel and 100 levels of micro-adjustable resistance, it's perfect for both beginners and fitness enthusiasts looking to burn calories and lose weight. The 4-way adjustable seat and 2-way adjustable handlebar accommodate users from 5 to 6.1 feet. Along with it, you'll receive all the necessary tools, instructions, and access to online videos for easy assembly within 30 minutes. More than just an exercise bike, it's a companion for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for joining us on this ride through the best exercise bikes of 2025. I hope this video helped you find the perfect bike to elevate your fitness routine. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert reviews and tips. Have any thoughts or questions? I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your favorite exercise bike, or let us know what you'd like to see next.